In this video, we're going to talk about inventory and whether it's marked as single use or reusable. So if you'll pay attention to my screen here, I have the inventory creation modal pulled up. And you can see that reusable is set to on and billable is set to off. So these two concepts are related closely in ConnectSx. Billable means that inventory is able to be sold. So essentially, when it's marked used in the case, it will show up on the bill sheet with a price. And so if I mark this as on, I can enter a price for that item. If I turn it off, then it will not be considered billable. Next is reusable. When an item is marked reusable, that means after it's used in a case, it will be added back into a user's inventory. So it will not be consumed. And so this is typically used when we're talking about like surgical instruments. Or any other type of item that may get used in a case, but still needs to be in the inventory once the case is done. So the relationship between these two things is as follows. Typically, when billable is marked to off, reusable is set to on. This again is what we expect to see with a surgical instrument. However, when billable is set to on, and you're actually going to charge for the use of an item, often billable is turned to off. That means when the item is sold, it'll be consumed from the user's inventory. So again, this is the create inventory modal. You can see I'm all the way here at the last step, entering additional information. So the last thing to do here would be to create. If you need any more information about creating inventory, I'd suggest going to our knowledge base and viewing some of the great videos we have there. Now, if you need to change the status on an existing item, go into that item's detail page. So go to the all inventory screen, click on your item, and scroll down until you get to the billing section. And so this looks just like it did in the creation modal. And so you can go ahead and change the reusable status or the billable status and just make sure to hit save. So hopefully that gives you a better understanding of what single use and reusable and billable mean in ConnectSx, and also how to make those modifications for yourself. If you would like any more information, again, I suggest checking out our knowledge base and all the great educational resources we have there.